Hi, welcome to Inwood Academy Middle School. My name is Valerie Hoekstra and I'm the principal. We're going to start right here in our gymnasium because this really is the room where everything happens. Picture this, 7 o'clock in the morning, students coming in for breakfast, they're in the gym playing basketball, they're in the cafeteria getting their homework done, playing games with each other, speaking with the lunchroom staff. We move on through the day and you can imagine back to back to back to back physical education classes in here where students get to practice their physical skills, they get to unwind from their classes, and they get to practice sportsmanship. Toward the end of the day, you're going to see advisory all over the gym. And certain days of the week, you're going to see peer group connections where 8th graders are helping 5th graders build leadership skills and become trailblazers. After school, you're going to see one of the many after-school programs happening in this classroom. You might see over in the cafeteria a cooking class. Over here you might see gymnastics. Upstairs you're going to see coding, you're going to see debate, you're going to see chess club, and then you might see one of our 19 different sports teams competing with schools from all across the city. We have basketball, we have co-ed wrestling, all kinds of track and field. We even have a table tennis team. At night, you might see the middle school musical, or you may see National Junior Honor Society or family events such as our Hispanic Heritage Night or even a cooking competition. You'll see parents gather to learn how to communicate more with their students, how to help their students get ready for college, how to help their students learn what it's like to be a high school student. You might even see hundreds and hundreds of students here on a weekend for a city debate tournament. And most importantly, you'll notice all around the gym that we have our 5 banners for our 5 houses. Now you might be thinking Harry Potter, and you'd be right. Every Inwood Academy Middle School student is a part of a house, and we do have competitions, and there is a house winner every single year. So when you come to Inwood Academy, you'll be in a house and you'll see if your house is the winner for the year. This is our 5th grade area. We have a special area set aside for our new 5th graders so that they are a part of the school, but they have their own separate little pod. In this classroom, you'll see 2 teachers teaching with their small group of students, about 25 students, so it's about a 12 to 13 to 1 ratio for our 5th graders. You'll see that we have very deliberate reading instructions, so we know exactly where students are when they come in, and our point is to make sure that when students leave in 8th grade, they love to read and write. We'll work with them whether they're new to English or whether they've been in the public schools for several years. We want students to be able to feel comfortable. So if we get a new student in who's a brand new English student, we want them to feel a part of the classroom, and we're going to give them a safe space where they can learn English and enjoy being together. Another thing that you'll notice in 5th grade is that every student has their own computer to work with in every class. So we're teaching them computer skills, we're teaching them math skills with programs and with their teachers. We provide a significant amount of the school supplies that students are going to need, along with 2 uniforms, so that they're ready to be a part of the Trailblazer family. You'll notice that we have small classrooms so that we can work with students on an individual basis. Our student to teacher ratio in 5th grade is about 12 or 13 to 1. This is the 7th and 8th grade floor. On this floor, we're preparing our students for high school and to be college and career ready. This is one of the 8th grade science rooms. You'll see that they have the ability in here to do experiments, to think, to push themselves, to be academically strong. We have a lot of programs for our 7th and 8th graders that push them to that next limit, including Regents prep classes and Regents classes. So when students enter high school, they are ready to go. All of our 8th graders have automatically been accepted into our prestigious high school. They have a slot and are ready to go if they choose to stay with Inwood Academy through high school. We have SH/SAT prep for students who are considering the art schools or a specialized high school as well. In our electives classes, we push our students with performing arts, visual arts. We give them the chance to do fun things like dance, to learn to be a part of a step team. We give them the chance to play an instrument or use their voices as instruments. We have our students ready when they leave Inwood Academy Middle School for high school to become leaders and agents for change. There is nothing more powerful than watching our alumni work with our new students to show them that they can really make a difference in this world. We look forward to meeting you and having you join our Trailblazer family.
Please remember to always wear your mask. This is the proper way of wearing a mask. You do not wear your mask like this, or like this, or like this. Please always wear your mask covering your nose and mouth. Your safety is important to us,